Kala whahatu ke motoro osi, whea tautolo ke plea niti polo, e ke sia e taki mo hoana, wa e tuku au. Oh yeah, whakateo e Hanna, whakoelahi. Oh, we're back here at St. John's Netball, one player short today, so I have to play for two people, see how I get. I'll see you at the post-interview.
Pre-game, we need to get into our pre-game. I think if anything, we need some warm-ups. We're missing some girls today, but that's not going to be a worry. The challenge is to survive, is to have fun. And as I say, it will be a challenge because I've got a feeling tonight's going to be a tough game. But if anything, main goal is to have fun. So we'll see you on the other side.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Hi guys.
Woo! What a game we just played. We were one player down, so we had some subs come on from other teams, and we all put in a massive effort. It was a big score today, 62-25 or so 24, something like that. So good game. Feeling energized, no injuries, and ready to go for next week. Oh, just also a special message to the players who didn't show up today. It's okay if you put a notice, but there was a few who didn't show up on the day. You have to do 10 press-ups when you get here, Faith.
Oh.
We missed you today, but see you next week.
The prayers, the vitamins, the training did not work tonight, but the prayers did work. The prayers did work. We did survive. A lot of sweat, a lot of pain, a lot of anxiety, but a lot of good feelings, good vibes at the end of it. That's what it's about. It's about the good vibes,
Cool.
having your best, putting it all out there, and just having a go. And again, encourage everyone who's watching this YouTube. Make sure you come and participate. The games are on Tuesday evenings, and as you can see, I think the final score was 60-20 something. But yeah, again, it's about the positive endorphins, getting rid of that cortisol, and having a good night's sleep tonight. So, see you next week. We'll see you. If we don't see you, well then, be a square.
Yeah. Hello.
I think I have to try and at least one training somewhere really. Got wasted.